Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Ornata V3 X. In this video I'll show you how to manage profiles of your keyboard. In the beginning, let's go to Razer Synapse app and go to Profile. As you can see right now, we've got only one profile. We can add profiles. We can rename them. Duplicate, export, reset and delete. Now when our profile is created, we can change the keyboard mode, we can remap the buttons, change lighting for current profile or create macros. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.